Good morning. I'm guilty, but you can call me Zach. It's time to go to Streetcar Takeover. It's about 6 in the morning. Just packing up the car right now. Man, rotary emissions for breakfast. One last glance at the car. Everything looks pretty good. Oh, a shifter. I need to change that shifter out before we hit the road. That's too dull. We don't want that. I don't want that. No one else cares. All right. I like this knob a lot also because it's weighted. It just feels good whenever you're slamming gears at a horsepower. All right. How about this shifter? Yeah. All right. We'll fit it. All right. I think we are officially ready to hit the road. On the road again. Oh boy. Got some muscle car action coming up behind us. You know how I know it's gonna be a good day? Not only are we in the RX-8, check this out. The license plate says not an LS. I wonder what's in there. An RB? Maybe a rotary? We're gonna hop in behind them. All right, we're lone wolfing it again. It's just us. Beautiful day in Kansas City. It's an amazing day. Yeah, the sun's out, no rain finally. No snow. It is May 10th, but still, I celebrate no snow every day. We're here, we made it. All right, we're gonna check in. I'll be back with you in a minute. All right, man, restricted areas. Cool, thank you very much.
You're welcome, have a good one.
Appreciate it, you too. All right, we're all checked in. Burnout cars. Camping tents up. All right, let's get set up for this show. We're parked, so we are set up with media and car show. Restricted area, I guess for media, car show sticker, vehicle information, most importantly, media badge. Sweet. All right, let's get this thing cleaned up. Midwest Skylines, R32? 32. Dang. Morning. How are you?
Good. How you guys doing this morning?
Pretty good.
Good. Yourself? All right. Glad to be here. Ready to see this thing rip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully it puts down a good number. Sad. Seen a few of the TikTok videos of it, and right? I don't think so. This thing's a handful, man. Oh yeah. I mean, how much power is it making? We don't really know. Probably 1,500 or more.
At least 1,500 horse. It's safe to say it's going to be a very good day. We made it. We're set up. Car set up in the car show. Just making a lap. Everybody's showing up now. Are you this cool though?
There's a nice shaded spot over here.
Got a good spot right here in the middle of the lane. Right there.
In the right lane, obviously you've got less of
I don't know how to explain that. two Teslas was like loud whispering. This one's gonna be a lot different though. Jetting away from the track for a minute. Let's go check out some car show cars and some vendor cars. Let's get into some super B-roll. I'm about to show you a ZL1 that is not normal.
Yesterday I tried out the Polish sausage with the onions.
Almost to the good stuff.
Absolutely amazing. We tried out the walking tacos today. We're gonna try out the tacos. We're gonna try out the street tacos. We heard those are the move. Yeah, one person told us that. So we're gonna have to check those out.
Told you. Entering the event in style, helicopter style.
competition is getting its own video. Check this out. It was mayhem.
It's bigger than a fire truck and it's red. And they're throwing.
Man, the show's over. It's 6 p.m. Over a 12-hour day. I am blistered like crazy. One top 20. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, leaving the show in style. Oh man, what a show. I think I've been at the show about 12 hours. And the best feeling ever, man, the RX-8, it won a show, man. Top 20 out of 200 cars. Yeah, that's pretty special. Special to me. Had this car forever, man. And it is totally like family to me. Check this out though. I was videoing because I was positive that was street racing leaving the show. That wasn't street racing. Maybe that was street racing. I don't know. Charger, Challenger, I don't know the difference, to be honest with you. It's all the same, man. Final destination flashback, furniture style. Man, that'd be a bad day. Man, check out the sunburn. Oh man, ouch! That's a farmer's tan. Man, that's dead serious, y'all. I am in trouble. Tomorrow's gonna be misery, big misery. Anyways,